Now, in this video, we are going to see another perfume from Swiss Arabian, that is Shumoukh Al Ghutra. This one. This is the box. And let me show you the perfume bottle. So, this is the bottle over here. So, this is the bottle of Shumoukh Al Ghutra. Okay, so this is the top, which is cap is actually silver, and the bottle feels it is not plastic. It feels like stone, and it is all red, and on the top we have the pattern of a Ghutra, that is Arabic cover they use for their heads. The male ones, the males they use this, men they use this. So this is the pattern on their head, and that is basically Shumoukh Al Ghutra. So I think this is the top line or most costly perfumes from Swiss Arabian line. All of their other perfumes, they are very cheap. This one is a bit costly, and I am going to tell you why. So let's spray this, and I'm going to show you. It is one of my favorites, favorite perfume, which I'm not going to sell. This is the one I'm going to keep. Okay, so right off the bat, it has apple, it has leather, which is, again, some people will say that it is a kind of plastic vibe, but it is very low over here, very little. It is basically leather kind of vibe, very sweet, vanilla, maybe apple and vanilla. I don't feel it very powdery till now. Yes, it is getting powdery, leathery, sweet. Apple is still there. So overall, it is sweet leather. Leather is not too heavy if you don't like leathery perfumes. The best thing about this one is it doesn't has tobacco. I really don't like tobacco-ish, leathery, sweet perfumes, because it is the same thing again and again, redoing others' work. This is apple with leather and some woodiness, vanilla. It is sweet, vanillic, woody, leathery, apple. That is all I can say. They have written that it's animalic. I don't think that this is for summer. This is purely a winter fragrance. And don't spray it too much. Maybe 3 or 4 sprays are the max for this one. I like it. So the main thing over here, very prominent in this Shumoukh Al Ghutra, is actually apple, woodiness, which they have listed as cedar wood. Leather is very prominent. Apple, leather is very prominent. Then vanilla is also there. Vanilla is very prominent over here. And I think if you like leathery perfumes, or maybe for winters, this is a good choice. This is a really good choice. So it is, I would say that it is for men, but maybe a confident woman or woman above her 40s maybe pull this off. But overall, I think it is really good for men. It's silage, and you can say its power is good. So I'm not getting any other perfumes I have sprayed earlier, like 10 minutes ago, but this one is still coming 2 feet away from where I am right now sitting. So this is good. This is good Shumoukh Al Ghutra. Sweet, leathery, apple, a little bit of powdery. It is not very powdery, because I hate powdery perfumes, which feels like powders, because I don't want to wear a powder as a perfume. So yes, vanilla is also there. So this is a very nice sweet vanilla apple leather perfume for men, a little bit of woody too, but if you enjoy these kind of perfumes, this is for you. So I think that is all. I don't want to go into showing its prices and all that stuff. I think it's around $90. Maybe they have increased the price now, but when I bought it, it was around $90 for 75 ml. I think it's 70. Yes, it's 100 ml. So that is all about Shumoukh Al Ghutra. If you haven't tried this one, do try this one. This is a good one. This is a good one. A perfume that is leathery and sweet, with some apples and some vanilla. That is all. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I'm going to move to the next video. Make sure you watch other videos from my channel. I have reviewed a lot of Swiss Arabian perfumes. Make sure you like, subscribe this video. We will meet in another video. Till then, take care.